Hello guys, this is Ramesh. I am teaching here about zoology subject. The topic is today animal physiology, excretory products and their elimination. What is excretion? What are the excretory products? Here we looking to here there is mainly three products which is nitrogenous waste, okay, which is ammonia. First one is ammonia NH3 and urea, okay, CO NH2 urea formula, and this is uric acid guys, uric acid C3 H4 N4 N4 O3. This is uric formula. Guys, here look into these products. These are the mainly nitrogenous waste, okay. The waste produced from the metabolic activity called metabolic waste. As it is, these nitrogenous waste are the metabolic waste, okay. So, in this ammonia, how they produced in the metabolism and how the ammonia converted into the urea and uric acid, okay, we are going to discuss in this chapter, okay, what are the waste products and how they eliminate, how they made, okay. Yes, mainly we discuss about these three products, right, ammonia, urea and uric acid, okay. Waste, these are the metabolic waste, waste produced from the metabolic. What is metabolism here? What is metabolism? Okay, metabolism, it is the chemical reaction, it is the chemical action which is either anabolism or catabolism. In the animals, there are proteins made up of from the proteins, like proteins which are from the amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks for the making protein. In our body, there are plenty of proteins, okay. So, in their action, there is chemical action which is produce metabolic waste from the proteins, nothing but amino acid. Amino acid common formula COOH and amine group, amino acid nothing but amine group and functional group and hydrogen. This is the common formula of the amino acid. As we discussed, that is metabolic waste, right. Metabolic nothing but it is anabolism or catabolism. Here there is a reaction, chemical reaction going to break down of the amino acid to produce amine group separately, amine group separately and carboxylic group separately, okay. This is the carboxylic group further converted into the glucose, okay. This is the glucose which is produced from the carboxylic group of the amino acid. We can call this is the process gluconeogenesis, gluconeogenesis. There is a glucose which is produced from the non-carbohydrate called gluconeogenesis, okay. So, what about this amine group? What about this amine group? Okay, this amine group further converted into the ammonia guys, further converted into the ammonia. This is the ammonia like which is adding of one hydrogen to make the ammonia in the animal body, which is chemical reactant ammonia. Ammonia is the highly toxic if it is accumulate in the animal body, that going to make toxicity, okay. That should be removed. There is a process called excretion, okay, ammonia. Some species they can eliminate ammonia directly, some species they can eliminate urea directly, some species they can eliminate uric acid directly, okay. Yeah, the species would do not like eliminate ammonia directly, they can convert ammonia into the urea as a waste product, and some species they can convert ammonia into the uric acid as waste production. So, they can eliminate directly, okay. Yes, and next come to this. Yeah, as you know, excretion, the animals accumulate ammonia, urea and uric acid and as well carbon dioxide also, and waste and either ions NaCl or K plus ions also there, they can accumulate in the animal tissue. These substances have to be removed totally or partially. Okay, that is the system we can call excretion. Okay, process of elimination of this product. So as we discussed, there are certain ammonia elimination species are there, and urea and uric acid. This is mode of excretion. Mode of excretion. Okay, what is mode? Ammonotelism, ureotelism, uricotelism. Okay, ammonotelism, nothing but ammonia can excrete directly. Ammonotelism, that is the species we can call ammonotelic species. Okay, urea, they can, some species or animals, they can excrete urea directly. That is process we can call uricotelism. Ureotelism, that species we can call ureotelic species. Where there is a uric acid, they can eliminate the species called uricotelic species. The process we can call uricotelism. Okay, guys. Yeah. Then what is ammonotelism? What is ammonotelism? Ammonotelism, they can eliminate the animals. We can ammonia formula NH3. This is the NH3 ammonia, they can eliminate directly from their body surface. Okay, that is the process we can call ammonotelism. The species we can call ammonotelic species. Okay, the excreting ammonia, ammonotelism, the process, and this is highly toxic, guys, most important. This is highly toxic than urea and uric acid. Okay, this is highly toxic than urea and uric acid. Okay, yeah. This is ammonia, urea and uric acid. Ammonia is highly toxic than urea. Urea is highly toxic than uric acid. This is the order they did ask previous year exam. Ammonia is highly toxic than urea. Urea is highly toxic than uric acid. Okay, this is the order, guys. Okay, yes. If come to this, yeah, if come to this ammonia, okay, it is highly toxic, most important. This is most important. It requires high amount of water for their elimination. It requires high amount of water, especially water species can eliminate directly ammonia. Water species can eliminate ammonia mean ammonia easily dissolve in the water. Ammonia easily dissolve in the water. Water species can eliminate ammonia directly. They require high amount of water for their elimination. Okay, generally example they can ask you, not all fishes, only bony fishes they can eliminate ammonia, and aquatic amphibians, not all amphibians. Amphibians, there are terrestrial amphibians also there, aquatic amphibians and bony fishes, not all fishes, only bony fishes, not all amphibians, only aquatic amphibians, and aquatic insects, not all insects, aquatic insects. They can eliminate ammonia directly. And ammonia, it is easily soluble, readily soluble in the water. Okay, they can excrete the process called diffusion. They can excrete the process called diffusion. Ammonia excrete the process called diffusion. Okay, ammonia. Okay, yeah. So next mode of excretion is ureotelism. Ureotelism. Ammonia converted into the urea. Ammonia converted into the urea. Okay, so where it is converted? Okay, urea they can eliminate directly from this body, from their body. Okay, mammals, terrestrial amphibians and marine fishes are excrete urea. Okay, urea. Ammonia converted into the urea in the liver, guys. Ammonia NH3 converted into the CONH2 in the liver. Okay, that can be enter into the blood, vena cava. Okay, they can enter into the kidney. Kidney is the organ to eliminate urea. Okay, kidney is such organ to eliminate urea. Urea, it is for conservation of water. ammonia converted into the urea for the conservation of water. Does it mean terrestrial species, they can adapt their body structure to convert ammonia from the ammonia to urea, from the ammonia to urea. Okay? Yes. Terrestrial adaptation. Terrestrial adaptation. This is most important. This word. Terrestrial adaptation necessitated to produce the less toxic nitrogenous waste. Less toxic as compared with ammonia. It is urea. Okay? Ureotelic animals. Okay? Yeah. Ammonia converted into the urea. Ammonia converted into the urea in the liver. This is most important. In the liver, there is a cycle. There is a cycle, urea cycle. Okay? Released into the blood. Okay? After made urea, they can release into the blood and then they can enter into the kidney. Kidney can filter the urea. Okay? Yeah. For maintaining desired osmolarity, their body osmolarity, to maintain, mean they can conserve the water in their body. In that way, they can like convert ammonia into the urea in the liver. Okay? This is about ureotelism. Next, uricotelism. Uricotelism. Uric acid, they can eliminate the species, the animals which are, they can eliminate uric acid, we can call uricotelism. Uricotelism, especially reptiles, birds and land snails, insects. These 4 kinds, they can eliminate uric acid as their waste production. Okay? Yes. Uric acid formation, they can in the form of pellet. This is previous year NEET question. In this form of pellet, they can eliminate in this form of pellets. Okay? Yes. Okay? Uric acid formation also terrestrial adaptation. Terrestrial adaptation. Okay? This is uric acid. Okay? Uric acid. Yep. And next, human excretory system. Human excretory system. Human excretory system. Human excretory system. Human excretory system has the parts of human excretory system, 2 kidneys, okay, 2 kidneys, two kidneys, 2 ureters, okay, 1 urinary bladder, one urethra. This is the parts human excretory system, 2 kidneys, okay, 2 ureters, 1 urinary bladder and 1 urethra. These are the parts involved in the human excretory system, which is they can eliminate the ammonia like urea as a waste product. Okay? Yeah, we are going to discuss about each one topic, okay, from the next class. Okay? This is Ramesh from the NEET Valve. Okay? Thank you so much.